Hi, my name is Ashley Galvana, and today I'm going to be talking about who initiated Daca and who is initiating it right now at the moment. Originally, the 44th President of the United States, which was Barack Obama, established Daca, which is a deferred action for childhood arrivals, on June 15th, 2012. It was later brought up again because the president now, which is Donald Trump, tried to end Daca in 2017. He has always railed against Daca because it is part of his anti-immigration agenda. He did not want to accept new applications. However, in 2020, the Supreme Court blocked the Trump administration's attempt to terminate Daca. He has failed, but however, he has always stated that he kept trying and will continue trying to get rid of Daca. However, it is now being brought up again because the new President-elect Biden has pledged to make the DACA program permanent on his first day in office, which is great news. But that's all I have for today. Thank you.